morning, dear students. Hope you all are safe and good at your home. I am your SST teacher once again with you. So as you all know that we have already completed our chapter 2, that is latitudes and longitudes, and we have already completed this chapter with the help of animated video also. Okay. Now hope you all are understood very well each and every topic. But today we are going to discuss about some few points, or we can say that some main points of this chapter, that is latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Now after that we will come on exercise based question of this chapter. So what you all know about the latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Now I am also explain you about the trick that how we can learn about latitudes and longitudes. So you all know that latitude, if we talk about latitude, so lati means लेटी, लैटी से हम लेटी कर सकते हैं, suppose it's लेटी है ना, so लेटी means लेटा हुआ, means sleeping line, suppose this is sleeping line. Okay ना, so these are means अगर latitude की बात करें so it's sleeping line, और ये कैसे होंगी like this. And we all know that the line which divides earth into two equal halves is known as what? Yes, it's known as equator. And equator is also considered as 0 degree latitude. Okay. Now we all know that the latitudes or the parallels. Okay. Now from here, what are parallels? So the parallels are those lines who not intersect each other. Okay. Now the distance between each and every line is same. If we move towards move from away from the equator, the length of the parallels is decreasing, but the distance between two lines is never change. Okay, it's always same, and the word which we use for is it is equidistant. Okay, equidistant, and the meaning of equidistant is equal in distance, equal distance. Okay. Now let's come on longitude. So longitude means long means lamba. So the line which divides earth into two equal hemispheres. Okay. What is the difference between latitude and longitudes? Equator divides earth into two equal halves, and we know that the upper part is north pole and lower one is south pole. Okay. Now it's divide earth into north half and south half, and that's why we called it latitude. And in longitude, the line which divides earth into two equal halves, that is known as what? Prime meridian. And another name of latitudes is parallel, but another name of longitude is meridians. Okay. Now that's why we called it prime meridian. Prime meridian. Okay. Now it is latitudes is 181 degree. Okay. 90 in north, 90 in south. But meridian is 360 degree. 180 and 180. Okay. Now longitude. Longitude means lambi. Long means lambi. So this one is longitude. Okay. Now why it is important for us? Because it is not drawn on the surface of the earth. It is not exist on the surface of earth, but it is drawn on the globe. Why it is necessary for us? Because it helps us to find out the correct position of a particular area or particular place. Okay. If there is no line, no latitude, no longitudes on the surface of globe, it's very difficult to find out the particular place on the globe. So that's why when suppose this is our earth, there is latitudes and there is longitudes. Okay. Now these latitudes and longitudes form a box. Look at here. And this box is known as grid. And with the help of grid, we also find out a particular place is very easily. Okay. Now let's come on our exercise based question. Let's come on our exercise based question. So firstly you have to write quotation, that is do good have good, okay, and you also have to mention today's date. Now let's come on first question, that is take the correct option to complete the sentence. So the first question is, first statement is the degree of the equator is dash. So degree of equator is 0 degree latitude, and we also know that equator is considered as 0 degree latitude. Next one is the imaginary lines running from east to west around the earth are called dash. So they are called latitudes. Okay. Now 180 degree east and 180 degree west are one and form the international date line. It forms the 180 degree east and 180 degree west form the international date line. Next is 23.5 degree north latitude is dash. So it is Tropic of Cancer. Next one is the Royal Observatory at Greenwich is near. So it is near in London. Okay. Let's jump on fill in the blanks. So the first statement is the earth is dash in shape. So the earth is spherical in shape. Second one is the top point of the axis is called North Pole. Next one is 0 degree longitude is called what? Yes, it is called prime meridian. Next one is all longitudes are of the same length. Okay. Yes, we know that in latitudes, when we move away from the equator, the length of the latitudes is decreasing, but in longitude all longitudes are of the same length. Okay. There are total 360 meridians on a globe. Let's jump on our next type of question, that is write T for the true statement and F for the false statement. So the first statement is the equator divides the earth into two equal parts. Yes, it's true. The prime meridian runs from east to west. No, it's wrong. Poles are near the equator. No, poles are not near the equator. Okay, that's why it's false. The equator and the Greenwich meridian are the same line. No, it's wrong. The northern hemisphere is greater than the southern hemisphere. No, it's false. Now let's move on the writing zone. Answer the following question. Look at the diagram given. Some numbers have been given on the lines and areas. Name them. First one is South Pole. Second one is equator. Look at this. This one is equator. Okay. Third one is third one is northern hemisphere. Fourth one is southern hemisphere, and fifth one is north pole. Okay. Now let's come on question number 3. Name the following. So 0 degree latitude means equator. 23.5 degree north latitude, Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree southern latitude is Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree north latitude, Arctic Circle. 66.5 degree southern 66.5 degree southern latitude means Antarctic Circle. 90 degree N means North Pole. 90 degree S means South Pole. So hope you all understood very well. So you have to do all the questions on your book, and please use pencil for it. Hope you all understood very well. Thank you so much for watching me. Have a great day.